Hello, welcome in today's video. I'm gonna show you how to paint this amazing monument, which is a royal castle of Warsaw. But before we start, you need to check our social accounts on Instagram and Facebook and visit our website artevalorestudio.pl/en/shop, where you can find many interesting things directly for you. So let's start. After finding proportions, we can start with main shapes like roofing, like stairs and like windows. Those big ones on the downside, and also the gate centrally on the axis. If you want to make this watercolor like a masterpiece, like a living nature, I think proportions and overall shape should be quite as much as possible nearly to the nature. Once we have roofing and of the left side, of the right side, in the center, we can start with details like windows in the main building. So there's a lot of windows, so it's much easier to find main lines, I mean vertical and horizontal, and to draw these windows automatically. So not a single window, very detailed, but like a machine. So overall shape of one, overall shape of the second window, overall shape of the third, and this way you make it very quick, as you see there. We have also arches in the right side, and then the arches in the left side, and a tiny pool in the front downside, and also stairs. So what we do is like a study of the baroque facade, so in my opinion it should be quite detailed. I don't need a ruler, but if your arm is really struggling with straight lines, you can help yourself. Okay, right side is finished. I also add details close to the tympanon and roofing. It's very common in Baroque. And next thing is to draw left side. It could be more comfortable for you if you start with the left side because it's common to remove a pencil with your hand. So try to draw from the left side to the right side, completely opposite as I did. The left side is starting to be finished. Last windows and arches on the ground floor. Of course, remember to draw chimneys. Okay, we got it. And now, when we have last details like trees in the ground floor and stairs on the right side, stairs on the left side, we can do some corrections, put some details in the front plans, and so after 10 minutes we have a complete sketch of the Baroque facade of the Warsaw Castle, Warsaw Royal Castle. It's ready to paint, so let's start painting. If you want to get a full access, just visit our website artevalorestudio.pl/en/video tutorial, and there you can find this monument, and you just simply order it and you get a full access to this absolutely great novel. I think you should definitely watch this video.